Want to sound absolutely confident during your PSLE oral exams? Well, in this quick explainer, we're going to dive right into a secret formula. It's literally the exact same one top students use to impress examiners every single time. Our secret weapon? It's just 4 letters. OREO, and yep, it's exactly like the biscuit. It's incredibly easy to remember, and honestly, it's the absolute best way to organize your ideas right there on the spot. Okay, so here are the 4 simple steps to build that perfect answer. O is for opinion, R is for reason, E is for example, and that final O, well, that's for opinion again. Let's actually picture this in a real exam situation. Imagine the examiner asks you, should children spend more time outdoors? Let's use our OREO trick to answer this perfectly. First up, O. You want to state your opinion right away, so you start off really strong. You confidently say, in my opinion, children should spend more time outdoors. Boom, answered directly. Next up is R. You've got to give a reason to back it up. So you add, this is because outdoor activities keep children healthy and active. Now we bring it to life with E, for example. You tell them, for example, children can play football, ride bicycles, or spend time at the playground. Finally, we hit that last O, opinion again. This is where you wrap it up beautifully. Therefore, I believe spending time outdoors is important for children. See how that all just connects together like puzzle pieces? I mean, just look at the difference. A weak answer just mumbles something like, yes, because it is good. But our powerful OREO response, it's just so much more convincing, right? So whenever you're stuck and your mind goes completely blank, just remember OREO. It's going to help you sound organized, confident, and crystal clear. So what tough topic will you tackle with OREO next? For more PSLE English tips, follow Mentora.